Geometric wall art has become super popular, and for good reason. It's an amazing way to elevate your home decor and add some visual interest to any room. With its clean lines, shapes, and patterns, it can instantly transform a space from ordinary to extraordinary. Many of us want to create our own artwork, but we often get held back by doubts. We might think we're not artistic enough or that we don't have the right skills. I've been there too. I used to be terrified of making a mess or creating something that looked completely awful. But the truth is, creating art is all about experimenting and having fun. Lack of experience or confidence can be huge barriers, but they don't have to hold you back. There are so many tutorials and inspiration online that can help you get started. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They're an important part of the creative process. Another challenge people face is finding the right materials or knowing where to start. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. With a few simple supplies and some basic techniques, you can create stunning geometric wall art that you'll love. To get started, you'll want to select a few core colors that will tie the whole piece together. I'm using a combination of bold and pastel shades to create a fun, eclectic vibe. Next, you'll want to choose a pattern or technique to follow. I'm going for a geometric design with lots of triangles and chevrons. When it comes to techniques, there are so many to explore. You can use tape to create crisp lines or try your hand at freehand painting for a more organic look. I'm using a combination of both to add some visual interest to my design. As you start to build your design, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. It's okay if it doesn't turn out perfectly at first. You can always adjust as you go. And remember to have fun with it. The process of bringing your artwork to life is so rewarding. I started by applying a base coat to my wall, then began adding my geometric shapes. It's amazing how quickly it starts to come together. As I add more colors and patterns, the design starts to pop. I'm using a combination of large and small shapes to create a sense of depth and visual interest. The transformation is incredible. What was once a plain wall is now a stunning work of art. I'm so happy with how it's turned out, and I know you can create something just as beautiful. To recap, we started by selecting our colors and pattern, then used a combination of techniques to bring the design to life. The key is to have fun and be willing to experiment. If you've been inspired to create your own geometric wall art, I'd love to see it. Share your creations in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other DIY art videos for more inspiration.